We are left with two presentation team. The team name is Island, whose members are Kavi, Gaurav and Shivani. They are going to present about the island of this country, especially about the Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep Island. These islands are very, very strategically very important for our country.
Yes.
And we all know about the history of this island. And even in HCLC also, I have been teaching you a lot of things about Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar. So you will be a very good source of questions for them. Okay, so come here and give the presentation.
Good afternoon everyone and welcome back to our fluent English classes. We are present our topic Indian Island. So I would like to introduce my team, that is Gaurav and Shivani, and we have given our presentation on the topic, that is Indian Island. We have two major islands in Indian islands, that is Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island. In our PPT, we have some content like introduction, history, demography, geography, government and administration, economy, culture, and conclusion. So I would like to go with introduction. So first of all, what is island? An island is a piece of land which is covered by water and which is mainly founded in oceans. And we have island that is Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep. The both are type of, Andaman is type of oceanic island and Lakshadweep is a coral type.
So that was the topic history. In history, I divide three parts of history. First of all, ancient history, and second one is colonial period, and third one is after independence. In the ancient history, we see two types of period. First of all, Chola Empire and Maratha Empire. In the Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep, we see peninsulas of the Arabian Sea. In Chola Empire, Rajan Chola first used the Andaman and Nicobar as a strategic place against by the Srivijaya Empire. Srivijaya Empire means by the Indonesia, and in the Maratha Empire used the Andaman and Nicobar as a naval base by the against based by the Andaman and Angli Kanuri, and which is the connect the island with India. That reason then empire take many rewards from others empire and other also. And Triplets of the Earthen Sea. Triplets of the Earthen Sea is a conic word, and it's see the navigation of the trading opportunity with the Roman Egyptian, and it's in that time we see many types of trading rules are in that time. And the second was the colonial period, and in the colonial period we see the rule by the British in Andaman and Nicobar. In Andaman and Nicobar we see mainly in the Second World War it is mainly controlled by the Japan, Andaman and Nicobar, and in 1 January 1756 they made a Danish colony which name was New Denmark. In Andaman and Nicobar, which people are live, but they have a very big problem of malaria, because this is that time also corona is very COVID-19 is very big pandemic situation, and also in 1 January 1756 malaria is very big problem. We have no any solution. Andamanese people to how did they save from malaria. That reason in 14 April 1759 they mainly go other place. They can't live on Andaman and Nicobar. And in the Chola Empire, Chola Empire also ruled on rule on the Lakshadweep. In Lakshadweep, in 11th century, they use the Lakshadweep to rule, and in that time we see many types of history on that time. And third one, after independence, we see two types of people. First of all, Anglo-Indians and Anglo-Burmans. Anglo-Indians mean by the which people are which British are live on India, yeah, which British are wearing any Indian words and born on India. They are called known as the Anglo-Indians, and the Anglo-Burmans is also known as the Anglo-Burmans. These are the community of Europeans and also European descents, and in European descents. That's all. So second was demography. I called Gaurav Gyani also.
Will Kavi speak once again?
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir.
No, I asked you because I have to give them marks.
Good afternoon, all of you, my respected teacher.
And my topic is the demography.
And we know that India is a democratic country with all of the people.
And in the demography, religious, language, and population. And it's a very important our India and our world. And in the India, is a religion is a very important all of us because it give the importance everyone to survive our life and to how to survive and see the graph of the Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep and the religions this the percentage. And the Hindu is living the Andaman and Nicobar 69.45%. And Christian approx the 20%, and Islam is only the approx the 9%, and Sikkim is the 0.33% because in the Sikkim is the most very lowest in our India, so many people are there. And the Buddhism is a very low of amount because of in this India is we know that the Buddhism is a religion of India is all over the forward all over the world. But now we don't know Buddhism and don't follow the Buddhism rules, and only the percentage of the 0.08% because of the not unaware our cultures, and others religions 0.5%.
What about the last one?
And the Lakshadweep religions, Hinduism is the very smallest live there, only for the 2.71%, and Christian is 0.49%, and Islam is the most of the religion in Islam is the live there is a very largest amount, in the 69 point.
Sure, 69 or more than 90%.
Yes,
More than 90.
sorry, more than 96%. More than 96%, and the Sikkim is only for 0.01%, and Buddhism 0.02%, Zainism 0.02%, and others 0.11%. Language. In our language, all the people is speak our language and our in the Andaman and Nicobar, most of the people speak Bengali because the Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Bay of Bengal, and Hindi is speak on only 90%, and also speak everyone to Tamil, Telugu, and Nicobar is in the Nicobar is the smallest speaker in there, only for 7.66%. And another language just like that Malayalam and Lakshadweep is the Malayalam is the most of the people speak their Malayalam because from there outside some Kerala coast, yes. And Vedari is only speak as a 40%, 4%, and other language is a 1.1%. Population. And the population is the largest in the Andaman and Nicobar, 3,81,000. Sorry, approximately of the population 3,81,000. And the actual and the Lakshadweep is the 64,000 only, and male of and male people is the 202,817, and a female 1,77,710, and Lakshadweep in the only 31,000 people, and the percentage of total of population 0.03%, and the sex ratio is out of the 1,876, and the Lakshadweep is 946, and child ratio is 68%, and Lakshadweep is 901. The next topic is geography. Geography is in the geography Andaman and Nicobar and the Lakshadweep, and then Andaman is the total of the Andaman and Nicobar covered by the 8249 kilometers square, and only Andaman is covered 6170 kilometers square, and Nicobar is only 1765 kilometers square, and Lakshadweep is a very smallest island, and is only covered by the 42.62 kilometers. And area of rank Lakshadweep is 36, and the population of the 2011 census, the total of the 64,760, and we see that the density of the population 2,000 per kilometer. And Andaman Nicobar, the population of density is a very low, in this 46 kilometers per hour. And latitude and longitude. And Lakshadweep is the latitude 11.74% east north, and latitude 92% east. And the Lakshadweep is the
latitude is 11%.
Yes, actually, longitude.
Coordinates. Longitude is your latitude.
Yes. And Lakshadweep is the longitude is 10.55 north, and latitude is 72.63 east. And the total of the number of islands in the Andaman and Nicobar 572, and only Andaman is 325, and Nicobar is only 247, and the total of number of islands in the Lakshadweep 36, only 36. And we see that the map of the Andaman and Nicobar, there is a part of Andaman and Nicobar. This is the divided. And we see that Lakshadweep Island is a very small island, and it is situated in the it is covered the water in the knowing areas. Flora and fauna. Andaman and Nicobar is a tropical forest area, and running islands, and most of the in the Andaman and Nicobar, most of the flora and fauna, approximately 600 species live there, and 68% plants there, and 42% species, 52% crabs in the available there. And Andaman Nicobar, the Andaman and Nicobar Island is divided into the three districts, and South Andaman and North Andaman and Middle Nicobar. And Lakshadweep is one of the 8 Indian territorial. And government is the government of the Andaman and Nicobar is Devendra Kumar Joshi. He is the governor of Andaman and Nicobar. And chief security is the Jitendra Narayan. And Lok Sabha constitution is only one seat, and the High Court of Andaman and Nicobar, Kolkata. And administrator of Lakshadweep is Praful Khoda Patel, and MD is MD Faisal Prafula.
What about the High Court of Lakshadweep?
Is Kolkata High Court.
Andaman and Nicobar is Kerala.
And next topic about describe the topic. Next topics we have agriculture of Andaman and Nicobar, and industrial infrastructure, social infrastructure including internet, ports, transportation, communication, health, and education and tourism. In agriculture, we can say that the land of the Andaman and Nicobar has a good quality of soil, can cultivate many of the things like pulses, mango, banana, and etc. And pulses is the cash crop of Andaman, and Ascot is the cash crop of Nicobar, that is called Supari. And for industrial infrastructure, there are total number of 127 small scale industry which is based on Andaman and Nicobar, which produce bags like homemade bags, and in social infrastructure they have provided the good quality of internet, and they have one port in Port Blair. In transportation, you can use transportation there like mini bus, and small cars and two-wheel vehicles. And the tourism place in Andaman and Nicobar Islands included Cellular Jail, Radhanagar, Fisheries Museum, Forest Museum, Red Land, the Coral Reef. And in Lakshadweep Island, the major tourism places are Minicoy, Bagram Atoll, Kavarati, and Kadmat Islands, and many more. I would like to call Swami for the question.
In Lakshadweep, there are many famous for seafood because and they also dealing with many places for seafood, and there are very famous festival of Andaman and Nicobar. Just like in that time we are celebrate many types of festivals which are Saraswati Puja and many others. Also in Andaman and Nicobar there types of festivals just like Durga Puja, Saraswati Puja, Vasant Panchami, and many other festivals are also celebrated on Andaman and Nicobar. And in Lakshadweep, all person are celebrate just like Republic Day and Independence Day, and Muslims celebrate Opaki festival, and Lakshadweep famous foods are fish, and also there are many different non-veg and also veg, and also in Lakshadweep in octopus and in crabs, and Andaman and Nicobar use tuna curry and red curry tuna and many others are also eaten in Andaman and Nicobar. And their dressing was women's wear maxi and churidar sari and salwar suit and sleeves jacket and also men's wear jeans and also pant and shirt and in the Ladakh women are wear maxi and jacket suits and men's are wear jeans pant and also shirt and wear different types of lungi and second one and confusion sadness
everyone. I am very delightful to the island team member who gave me this opportunity to speak on the island conclusion, so that I will get also idea about this holistical idea. That's why I request them that I will give conclusion part, so that I will have an idea. Before doing these kind of things, I have only mentality that the island means the landmass is covered by water. But by seeing this presentation given by our team member, I realized that culture and heritage and religion do not have any barriers. Though they do not have direct landmass connection, but our religion and culture flourish throughout the island. And there are some major advantages of having island. Like we can put our navy for our just to protect our land. And in history, there was some disadvantage, like in Japan, in World War II, Japanese soldiers came to this island just to attack the British colony. And also there are this is the place where the active volcanic eruption is still there, and it is also very famous for tourism sector, and the primary sector is the fishing and some type of coconut tree that is come under agriculture. And also sometimes it is this Lakshadweep island and Andaman island is compared with the Maldives. That is a very famous island of Sri Lanka, which is globally recognized for tourism sector. Sometimes it is compared because it is very famous for tourist place. And that's all from my side. Thank you.
Welcome.
Nitish,
Tell me the government's effort to protect natural resources and tribal people of that island.
Actually, this island, both are the very important our country, and we know that the tourism is the one of the best part of the economies, and also helps in the growth of the economies. Any person and any forest come there and feel the cultures and look over the nature's beauty. And then the government also take very hard decision to protect the islands, because of in this island is one of the beauty of India, and we show our culture, and the government also take a decision protect our the islands. Some governments, ministers and administrators also work at.
Yes. You know, Kabir, this island is very first island world level, and there are many tarantulas are found there. If government make an infrastructure on that place, it will beneficial for the island or not? Justify.
Yes, it is beneficial for the Indian tribe members, because they also have the right to life, and they also have the right to education, because there is very less education right now, because there are lots of people, but in that tribe many of them are unable to study, And if government provide the infrastructure to the citizens of Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep Islands people, that will be beneficial for them.
Which degree of channel separate the Andaman and Nicobar? Which degree of channel separate the Andaman and Nicobar?
Latitude that separates the Andaman and Nicobar. Latitude. Even you can see from the map. The latitude which are responsible for separating Andaman from the Nicobar. You can ask.
Recently, government declares Andaman will be developed as a maritime or startup. So tell me how it would impact the native peoples of Andaman.
If more developmental projects, infrastructure like highways, roadways will come to Andaman and Nicobar, how will it will impact the people living there?
First of all, in their people's they use just like in the side we see many types of technology, and when we develop of technology, then they also want to do many types of things, and they also improve their creativity. When they do much creativity, and also when in that time we are in COVID time, we are also in home and we can't do any works. That reason we in our mind create a very different creativity what I do. Then when we do any creativity things, then they create a very good and very good things. And when we highway or anything are creating Andaman and Nicobar, the people are also use them very good way and
Clap for them.